What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today, me and Laura going car shopping.
Yeah.
Very exciting. So we're going to Mercedes because they've got a massive like garage near us now, dead close. And we're going to BMW as well. We might go to Audi, depending.
Time.
But yeah, I think we're going to test drive a few cars, see what we like. We'll take you along on it because I'm thinking about getting a car in a few months. So if I want to get a new one, I need to like order it soonish. But yeah, I need to get a petrol. And Laura's lease has come up for renewal, so that's why we're going test driving. But yeah, it's going to be a good video. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Yeah, let's go. This diesel noise will be gone soon, and it will be replaced by a very nice petrol. Crackle and popping and stuff. Nice, huge. Very nice. Oh, big waterfall as well. This is sick, to be fair. Merc have outdone themselves here. Even though I'm not a huge fan of Merc. Unless you get an E35 AMG, you could test my drive on it.
I don't know what that is.
Quite nice, E35's a bit pace. I think this is where I come into my element. I know so much shit about cars, honestly, guys. A35. Don't know about that spoiler though. It's a bit like boy racery, isn't it? Same. It's between an A35 AMG and 135 X-Drive, 135i to test drive. Maybe a 330, but I think they're going to be a bit too much though. Right, so we just went Merc and we booked a test drive, and now the car's sold, so they only had one demo to test drive, one. In this whole massive fucking garage, they've got one. What sort of fucking business is that running? That is well bad. Right, we're gonna have to go and find someone somewhere else to test drive one. Maybe like, I don't know, you know, like a mixed dealership like might have one.
Car Point or whatever they're called.
Yeah, like Fords of Winsford or somewhere like that might have one, but we'll go and have a look anyway. We'll go and find somewhere. Right, so we're at BM now after that shambles in Merc. We're gonna see if they've got anything like this. New 1 Series is very nice, I think. What's this? 118i. That's what you'll probably be test driving. Very nice. But they just rang Laura, like, and left a voicemail saying they've not got a 135i to test drive. Not very good timing, is it today, to be honest? This is very nice. 8 Series. Available to test drive today. Oh, I might have to get one of them involved. Oh, what's that? Z4. Z4. Oh, that's only 35k. It's quite nice. Oh, Laura. Look. That is the one. In my element here. The wheels on them are delightful, aren't they? See that Reg M2 comp. Yeah, M2 comp. A lot of pace, but the back end will just want to slide everywhere, lad. Oh, I want 240i. Maybe I'll test drive a 240i, see what they're saying. I think you can kind of tell we're like more sort of BMW fans. I'm a BMW fanboy, me. BMWs are the one, I think. My mum's X3 M40 is the one. It's wow nice. I think I just definitely want a BM. This M2 in that colour. Yeah, that colour is the best colour for an M2. 45k.
I think I can see myself driving that.
Go on, get in it. Go on, you're seeing. Oh, there's another M2 in grey. There's bare M2s. Very popular M2s. Can it open? It's probably not gonna be, but. Nice. It's a bit tight inside, you know. Look at that. Is it? Sit in it.
It's locked.
Is it? Why is it locked?
Right.
X1. Ooh. M5. Go on. Is it open? No. Shut it. Get in.
I'm in.
Has it got half leather? Yeah, it's got the old system inside.
No, it's all material.
Is it?
Yeah.
It has to be leather seats. What's the space like?
Comfy seat now.
Is it? Space good?
Yeah.
It is nice.
Very big.
It is quite big. That's an XS220. X2 S20. Tell you what, there's not much space for a big car.
It's very nice.
Can you see me driving this?
You look quite small in it, you know.
Feel better, dude. There's a lot of power in this. I don't know how much it's probably about 60k. So get out the price.
So, 83.
Bit too much. You get a used one.
What?
You put £3.5 down, and it's £399.
It's not bad.
As well.
Oh.
This is nice. I can see myself.
I can't see you.
Is this my scene?
It's very nice.
That needs to be.
Oh, I don't know how you.
I think this is Laura's scene. It's electric, this. See what I mean? You know? Boop. Oh.
Very nice.
Shut the door. Get involved.
Sorry.
Full experience.
Quite nice.
Your scene.
I think so.
M2. Can you afford an M2?
I'm rich.
Do you want me to buy you one
Yeah.
when I made it? I've got 1 million subscribers.
You I'm poor, though.
I think they're a bit big
said
for
I'm
you.
poor.
Alright, so Laura test drove a 118D. I think she quite liked it, but it's so much effort, honestly. These car salesmen, why are they so much
Knobheads.
effort? Why are they such knobheads? Why do they just try and sell you straight away instead of like I'm not going to buy a car if I've not drove it yet. You know what I mean? Just let me drive it. Right, I'm here at BMW Halliwell Jones in Wilmslow. Lewis is going to let me drive a 135i. You better add. I'm going to rag it. I'm going to make him shit scared now. Laura's going to film in the back and Lewis is going to be like, oh my god.
I can't breathe.
But yeah, let's see what this is like, if we can actually test drive it.
Very nice.
It's a different site. It's a different fucking site. This is supposed to be a fun, enjoyable day. It's turning into a very stressful day. I'm going to end up dropping a car salesman or something.
Getting him in a lock.
Is there a bin? I need a fucking bin.
Put it in the post box. Oh. Oh.
It's got red leather.
It's not nice.
It's not. Well, it does look nice in leather.
Not red
Doesn't it?
leather.
I just need to test drive it. I like this.
It works it out all the time for you, so every single wheel is working individually with each other.
Just need a bit. Gear changes are dead smooth, aren't they, as
It's
well?
very quick.
Yeah, it's very quick.
There's nothing quick. I've got 2 dogs and 2 kids. Yeah.
So you need a big one.
Yeah. My dog's pretty big.
It's quite high as well.
Yeah. It's not just me.
Right guys, so just test drove the 135iX drive, the new shape one. The guy was like, what's your speed?
I think I
What's
got
your
that on video.
Oh, I was showing, there's this road like near Presby and Wilmslow you can show bare pace. So I just put my foot down. It's quick, to be honest. It's similar to the S3, very similar. Don't know, it might be a bit quicker. I think it's a bit quicker, you know. It's very nice, and a BM, nice and solid, dead smooth. In comfy, it was dead comfy. I think I want a 135 in the next few months. That's going to be the goal. Even on lease, maybe you can get some sick deals on lease. What do you think, Laura?
It was very quick. I was shocked.
What do you think of the car?
It was very nice.
You like it?
I think blue or that grey.
Yeah.
That grey was nice.
Yeah, grey is nice, but I want blue. I wanted a blue car since I was like 17.
Not the orange leather was very bad.
Yeah, there was orange interior. Not ideal. But I think we're going to go and test drive a 330i now, see what that's like. and then we will go to Merck and get a test drive for Laura. So it's pretty foggy, isn't it? It's not a fully written off day. We've managed
2 o'clock.
We've managed to salvage it after a bad start, to be honest. But yeah, right, let's head back to BM and then to Merck. Back at BM, I thought I was going to be driving a fucking estate. Honestly. Right, let's get a coffee, Laura. Come on.
Got a bigger boot than the other, if you like.
What's the starting price of these usually?
Stream around the side of the car, just holds it. It's line better.
Yeah, so it's like airflow.
Yeah, it's holds it. You know, as it is as a sports car.
Alright, so I drove a 330i and the guy got an estate. An estate. He said, oh, it's exactly the same. Right, alright. So I drove it. It's quite nice, but I don't think there's enough pace. Barry. There's a guy called Barry. We're at Audi now. So we're going to see if we can get Laura an A3 or something like that. So
Maybe a TT.
have a look here. Maybe a TT. TT could be
Might
the
get
one.
carried away.
But I definitely want a 135. That is the goal now. So yeah, I want. I can't get another S3, but they are fucking nice, aren't they? The saloon. The saloon is very nice. The blue as well. Ooh, I do like an S3. But I'd have to, ooh, different wheels. Different wheels, it's not mine, is it?
It's your old one.
S3? S3 cab? S3 cab? That's weird.
Not with a rest.
It's very weird. There's quite a lot of S3s. There's a 35 TFSI, Laura. A3.
It's quite big.
It is, I know. I think you need an
Like
A1.
an estate or something.
It is, it's a sportback, so it's got more room. That's why it's got the roof rails on it. Stockport Audi. Right, anyone at Stockport Audi, BMW, Mercedes watching this, can you sort me out a deal on a car? Come on, I'll vlog it. I'll put the links in the description. RS5 is the one. Very quick. It is very cold. Last location, car location of the day anyway. Mercedes AMG Mac. Let's hope you can get the test drive that you want. Let's hope.
Half the reason I would go if I wanted to be like a doctor or
Yeah.
a teacher, something like that. I went straight to work at the airport.
Right guys, so we concluded that Laurie's going to get a Mercedes A-Class A200D, I think. It's very nice. And I'm going to get a BMW 135i X-Drive. Very quick. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Something a little bit different, but if I do get that BM, which I will be doing in a few months, there's going to be plenty more car content coming because I love cars. Like today has proved I know more about cars than a lot of bloody car salespeople. They're useless, some of them. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to drop it a like.